Hey everybody, welcome to part 2 of developing good technique with your fingers. This is the kind of stuff that I'm going to be sharing in my future online courses, so please sign the mailing list in the video description below. Let's jump right into it. You know, what we were doing with the previous video was getting ourselves comfortable with the idea of leaving the fingers down. This is the movable major scale. Our root notes are D, so it's D major. Join in with me. Are you ready? Because we're so hip to one finger per fret technique, I can just tell you 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. And the notes are D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Are you ready? 2, 3, come on. 1 and 2 and 3 and leave the fingers down. Try to leave them down because they're settled. Not because you're forcing, but because you just softened up on the fretboard. Don't give up. We're going to do it again in a moment. Take a break. Right now, the break, very important. Take your hand away. Take a breath. Float your hand. One more breath. Feel it weightless, very loose. And let's do this. Are you ready? 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 2, 4. 1, 3, 4, 4, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 1. I know what you're thinking. My pinky doesn't like to do that. You know what you can do? Give your pinky a little bit of exercise. Put it here on the 5th fret and just move it around. Now let these fingers just kind of soften up. See how floppy they are? Take a break. Hey, you do that for a few minutes a day, your fingers are going to get really strong. You're going to get comfortable with this. I've got another thing to share with you, but before we move on, just want to say that if you're digging this video, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. Hope you'll share this video with your friends, and if you like this content, please subscribe to this channel, ring the notification bell. Check it out. We're going to play Doe-a-Deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, my name, I call myself, far long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread, la, a note to follow, so, tea, a drink quickly and bread, that will bring us back to do, 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 do. Okay, so I didn't practice that. But you can see how now the whole major scale is just under your fingers. We're really just at the tip of the iceberg of what's possible for the hand when we train it to soften up and be in a parallel fret position, all right? Remember, go slow with this idea. Make sure you take your hand off the ukulele often. And just check in. Are my fingers curved? Is my thumb relaxed? You'll see if you just do this a couple of minutes a day and then just go on to play your chords, you're going to notice that your chords are going to get so much stronger because you're really exercising the fingers by not squeezing. You're just strengthening them while at the same time keeping them fluid and relaxed. I hope this video has served you well. If you dig it, please share it with your friends. Give this video a thumbs up. Hope you'll subscribe to the channel. I got more content coming out every week here at Ukulele Zen. Appreciate you being here. I hope your day is going wonderfully. Thanks.